Hi there, my name's Stacey Rapp. I'm a first grade teacher and I'm a really big fan of KleenSlate. KleenSlate is an awesome company that has a whole entire dry erase board system that works wonders in my classroom. There is the dry erase board and there's a clean side right here that has nothing on it. On the back, there's this really cool pocket that you can slide in whatever you want and the kids can write on it without having to reprint things over and over every single year. Right now, I have a KleenSlate downloadable. That is the primary lines on here. We were practicing our handwriting formation the other day and it was really great for the kids to see their progress and it wipes clean. I also really love that they have this huge microfiber cloth that reaches across the entire board. And it's just hooked on there with a little ring clip, which is awesome. So if you want to take these off and wash them, it's detachable. There's a little clip right here for the dry erase marker, which is great because how many times have you heard as a teacher, I can't find my dry erase marker. I don't know where it is. It's right here on your board, my friends. So it's just a great system. My students really enjoy using it for anything and everything. If we are sitting on the floor together, there's always at least one hand in the air asking, Mrs. Rapp, are we using the dry erase boards today? I want to talk to you also about just the specific dry erase markers. I really love that these are thin. It makes it easier for little hands to hold. I really like that it has an eraser right here. So if you aren't using them with the KleenSlate board, maybe you're using them on the tabletop, on the kids' desks, they already have an eraser built right in. I am going on year 2, I believe, with a class set of black markers from KleenSlate. They have not dried out. The felt tips are all still intact. They work well. None of them have faded. And I feel these are going to last me for a few more years before I have to replace them. They also come in several colors too. I have the fun colored ones for myself when we use our dry erase board together on the floor that I use that my kids are all dying to use, so maybe I'll have to pick up a second set of those for them. They last, they wear well, they're great. If you haven't checked them out, I definitely would give it a look because whether you just buy the dry erase markers or the whole entire clipboard system here, it's totally worth it. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.